Okay, here's a little review that I plan on making of my son's new crib mobile. It's the Disney Baby Crib Mobile. Here's the batteries. Don't know who makes it, but it requires 3 C-size batteries right there. This did have a light, but I ended up doing a repair, which the light blew out when I did the repair, so I removed the bulb altogether so it won't light up anymore, because I did a repair on how to fix the motor. Took this whole thing apart and stuff, so. But the motor doesn't work like it should, but it should work. It'll play music when you slide this. And then this is that was a situation where light though, in the situation where the motor, these would spin. We have all the Disney characters around it. So it has 4 characters that spin. There used to be a light. It's like a little merry-go-round crib mobile. It requires 3 C batteries, and as you can see, this says Disney something. I don't think you can. Okay, here. Right there. And it has these designs around it. All around the base of the crib thing. I think that's to define music. This was pretty hard to put together. Easy to take apart, but really hard to put together. Batteries is easy to change. This does go through a lot of batteries. I think I've only had to replace it maybe 4 times. When I first got it for my son, there was corrode. So yeah, subscribe and have a nice day.